Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see a super interesting Instagram filter. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. Move into the video. Just click on the effect option here, then click on the search option here and just type as PU puzzle. So type as puzzle, and you just need to click on the fourth filter. Actually, I said about the puzzle because this is a super filter and it is so viral filter. Actually, you can have a three options: 3 into 4, 4 into 4, or 4 into 5. And you can also add any photos on your mobile by clicking on the add media, and it will automatically changes to the puzzle like this. You can use the which puzzle that you want, 3 into 4 or 4 into 4, whatever that you want, and you just click on the view page effect page option, and here, and you click on the view effect page. There was more than a 4.5 lakhs reels has been created using this particular filter, which was so viral filter. So try this filter and make your reel now, and we will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.